Well, we all want to look our very best, but most of the time we don't have a lot of time to recover from surgery. But you are in luck this morning because there are some new treatments out there with little downtime. And joining us to tell us a little bit more, Dr. Manuel Lopez is here with Advanced Aesthetics Lopez Plastic Surgery. It's good to see you.
Great to see you as well.
All right, this is an exciting time because there are so many new developments to help us look and feel our very best. But I want to kind of grab you right away because these before and after pictures are amazing. Take a look and tell me a little bit about what this patient did.
So what she had was an in-office procedure called Accutite, Facetite, and then Morpheus8.
So this is designed to sort of tighten up the skin, help with that neck thing that we all have. I call it the neck thing. It's like the turkey neck, right? Yeah. But look at the jawline. It's a big transformation.
You can really define the jawline. Realize you're not removing skin. Like traditional lower face neck lift, we're removing skin, tightening muscle. In this, with this procedure, we're actually just heating up the tissue. We are able to do some liposuction through small little incisions that remove a little bit of the fat and then tighten up the skin using the device Facetite. And then for the face, we use Accutite, a little more accurate, smaller handpiece.
Okay, so when we say a little bit of downtime, what are we talking, like a week or so?
So the procedure takes about an hour roughly to do. And then you go home wrapped up overnight. I see you the next day, give you a little support garment. There's no pain with the procedure whatsoever. And you can literally, if you had it done on a Friday, be back to work Monday.
Whoa.
So it's a couple days.
That's a really good thing because a lot of times you don't want to take off work, but you want to kind of, you know, look and do some minor improvements. So let's dig into this a little bit more. Let's talk about Facetite. How does that work? What's that all about?
So Facetite's a device that we make small little incisions, little punctures in 3 areas. And we pass you can see the probe here, under the skin and above the skin, heating the tissue. That heating will then cause contraction over time, which will give you that rejuvenation effect.
You know, that's so important because we all want to look a little bit better, but we don't want to look overdone. So when you can do these tiny little things that sort of reverse the aging process, that's what people are really interested in.
Absolutely. And you know what they really want is no downtime.
Absolutely.
And that's the key. So with this, there's no pain.
That's a huge difference.
Yeah, you can get a significant improvement with this device. So by heating the tissue, you get the tightening effect and you get that rejuvenation.
Okay, let's talk about Accutite. What do you use that for?
So Accutite's their newer generation device because again such great results with the neck and the jawline. You needed a smaller device to get in the areas of the face. So now we can actually heat up the areas like the mediolabial folds, the marionette lines, above the brow to get a little bit of a brow lift, the mid-face to where you can actually get some contraction of the cheeks. So in smaller areas, you're able to use the same technology, getting a nice result.
So you would use both at the same time, the Facetite and the Accutite, right?
You can, absolutely. It just really depends on the patient, what their expectations are, what their desires are to get that effect.
Okay, and then this sounds like super spacey. Morpheus8, what does that do?
So the Morpheus8 is just actually micro needling, where we're doing little micro needling, but at the same time heating the tissue. So instead of getting under the skin, we're going through the skin with very small punctures that are causing heat, again, to tighten that skin. So it's a nice complement oftentimes to the Accutite and the Facetite is to get some superficial tightening as well.
So you're a facial plastic surgeon, which I think is important because you spend most of your time dealing with the face, right?
Correct. That's all I do, right? Face and neck. And so that's what's nice. There's different options now. So this has not prevented me from doing any more facelifts. I still do over 100 of those a year. Right. It really depends on the patient, their expectations, their tolerance for downtime. And so you have different options now, different tools in your toolbox to get that rejuvenation that the patient wants.
And the best way to figure out what's going to work for you is to come in for a consultation with Dr. Lopez. And here's the deal. We've got some complimentary consultations if you mention San Antonio Living, which will get you a chance to ask your questions, find out what is going to work best for you. But do mention San Antonio Living when you call Advanced Aesthetics Lopez Plastic Surgery. They're on Sonterra Place. The phone number is 495-5771. Again, 210-495-5771. You can go online to lopezplasticsurgery.com for more information. All right.